First step, we must calculate depreciable cost per unit. The formula is depreciable cost divided total unit of activity. So depreciable cost is the same with the first method. It is $12,000 divided $100,000. 100,000 mil. So depreciable cost per unit is $0.12. Okay. Now we can calculate annual depreciation expense. Yeah, the formula is depreciable cost per unit multiplied by unit of activity during the year. Okay, for the 2017 annual depreciation expense is $0.12 multiple 15,000 mil. So annual depreciation expense for 2017 is $1,800. Okay, see the depreciation schedule. The second column is unit of activity. The third column is depreciable cost per unit. And the 4, the 5, and the last is the same with the first method, yeah. Okay, we discuss about unit of activity. This unit of activity for 2017 is 15,000 mil. For 2018 is 20,000 mil, and so on, yeah. So the total. Okay, next, depreciable cost per unit. That is, we have calculated it, yeah. Depreciable cost per unit is $0.12. So annual depreciation expense will be not same each year, yeah. Okay, for the first year, depreciable cost per unit, unit of activity, yeah, of 2017 multiple by depreciable cost per unit. So $15, 15,000 mil multiple $0.12. So annual depreciation expense for 2017 is $1,100 and $800, yeah. Okay, for the 2018, okay, 30,000 mil multiple $0.12. So annual depreciation expense for 2018 is $3,600, and so on until the last year, yeah. Okay, see the accumulated depreciation. Accumulated depreciation is for the first year is same with annual depreciation expense. That is $1,800, and for 2018 is accumulated depreciation for of 2016 plus annual depreciation expense of 2018, yeah. So $1,800 plus $3,600. So the accumulated depreciation of 2018 is $5,400. Okay, look for 2019 accumulated depreciation is from 5,400 plus $2,400 400. So accumulated depreciation for 2019 is 7,800 and so on until the last year, ya. Okay, now book value. Book value, the same formula, that is from cost, ya, from cost minus accumulated depreciation. So for 2017 is $13,000 minus minus $1,800. So book value is $11,200. Okay, for the next, for the 2018 is $13,000 minus $5,400. So book value for 2018 is $7,600. Okay, so the book value of the last year must be same with expected sale value. So the book value of last year must be $1,000. Yeah. I hope you can understand for this method. Okay, we will discuss the last method, declining balance method. A common declining balance rate is double the straight line rate. If every florist use the double declining balance method, it use a depreciation rate of 40%, ya. Okay, so we can calculate annual depreciation expense for the first year, ya, is book value at the beginning of year multiplied by declining balance rate, ya. So $13,000 multiple 40%. So annual depreciation expense for the first year is $5,200. Okay. Look the schedule depreciation, ya. Okay, the second column is book value beginning of year. The third column is depreciation rate, and the 4, the 5, and the 6 is the same column with the other method. Yeah. Okay. Now look at the book value beginning of year for 2016. Is $13,000, ya. Depreciation rate same with the other year, ya. For the first year until the last year is the same, that is 40%, yeah. Okay, look the annual depreciation expense for the first year is from 30,000 multiple 40%. So annual depreciation expense for the first year is $5,200. Okay, for the second year, yeah, is from we must calculate the book value first before we calculate the annual depreciation expense for the next year. So we calculate accumulated depreciation is for the first year is the same with annual depreciation expense, that is $5,200, and book value is from $13,000 minus $5,200. So book value for the first year is $7,800. Nah, book value of the first year is the same with the book value beginning of year, ya. So book value of 2017 will be here, will be a book value beginning of year for $2018, yeah. And then we can calculate annual depreciation expense for the second year from this, yeah. 7,800 multiple 40%. So annual depreciation expense for the second year is 3,120 dollars. Okay, so accumulated depreciation for the second year is 5,000, yeah, 5,200 plus 3,120. So accumulated depreciation for 2018 is 8,320. Okay, book value. Book value for the second year is from $13,000 means 8,320. So book value for the second year is 4,680. Okay, look the last year, yeah. This book value of the 4 year is must be book value beginning of year for the last year, yeah. 1,685, and we can multiple by 40%. So the annual depreciation expense for the last year must be 674, but because book value for the last year must be 1,000, so we can change the annual depreciation expense for the last year yang nantinya akan balance, ya, atau akan sama. Nanti tahun terakhir tetap harus 1.000. Jadi di sini harusnya 674, kita ganti dengan $685. Okay, that's all about depreciation method. And the next slide is comparison of the third, yeah, this comparison. Okay, annual depreciation varies considerable among the method, but the total depreciation expense is the same. That is $12,000, ya, $12,000. Nah, look at the graphic, ya. If we use the straight line, it will be constant, and if we use the other method, will be like this, the graphic. Okay, next slide is exercise. You can learn by yourself at home, yeah, and this there is a solution. And if you if you find a difficult, please contact me by WA. Okay. Okay, that's all. We will be continue this material next week, yeah, about fixed asset. I hope you can understand this material. Keep up your spirit, keep up the spirit, and take care of your health, yeah. See you next week. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.